Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Dilip. As an intraday trader, it's very essential for you to understand where to look for support and resistance. Here in this video, I am going to explain three important references you need to look for in intraday. So these references you can not only use in order flow, you can also use it in normal price action, but in order flow you will get a much better idea. Before we dive in any further, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. So the first reference we are looking for is the previous day high and previous day low, because previous day the market participants, either buyer or sellers, they have established already some kind of range. So if at all today, if the prices were able to break those previous day high or lows, it means that the same participants, they are trying to take control for the next day also. So let's take this example here. So this is the previous day low. Here the previous day low has been broken. The opening itself is below the previous day low, and what happened, there was a retest and the prices went upside and it has closed inside the previous day range. So because the previous day low has been broken, other side of this is the previous day high, it has not been broken on the same day. So next day it has broken. That's a totally different thing. The reason is, again, if you focus here, there is a compartmentalization. So if you look at in this area, previous day there was a compartment, like the prices spent almost 3 hours in this compartment, and there was a strong breakout from this compartment. And later in the afternoon session on the previous day, there was again another compartment. On the later day also, the prices were spending in a sideways market for a whole day. So if there would have been, let's say, prices would have sustained here for 5 minutes or so, it would have got accepted above the previous day afternoon compartment. That has never happened. Now let's understand here what has happened on 5 minutes in the previous day low. So this is the previous day low, and what happened next day, the prices have opened below the previous day low and it got rejected from the previous day low. And then in the next 5 minutes, what happened, there was a strong candle with a strong amount of imbalances, and at the same time there is a strong delta. All these things indicated aggressiveness is coming in around the previous day low. It's a good buying opportunity, and your targets would be towards the other side of the compartment. This is the one compartment here. The prices went up to this level, but at the same time, if you focus on the afternoon compartment of previous day, what happened, the price is getting rejected here. So let's see what happened on the next day. So this is the again next day 5 minutes, and what happened here, in the first 5 minutes exactly got rejected here, and what happened in the second 5 minutes, Nifty closed above the previous day high. So with the strong imbalances and also delta. Later the prices moved almost for 100 points, and then there was a pullback, and then again there are multiple higher highs. This is with the first reference, guys, and the second reference is initial balance. So what is initial balance here? So initial balance is nothing but the first 1 hour range. Let's mark it first. This is the high point and this is the low point. So what happened here, again let's go into 5 minutes. This is the low point of the first 1 hour, this is the high point of the 1 hour. So what happened here, if you zoom in, nowhere the price is breaking the first 1 hour high. There was a pullback, and then if you focus, while the price is breaking this 1 hour high levels, look at the delta and how the imbalances are coming around this level. This is one candle just before the breakout, and this is the breakout candle. So what happened here, there was a 551 delta, and at the same time buying imbalances are there in this candle. Here too, good buying imbalances. Nowhere the prices has broken this imbalances low. This protects you from getting stopped out, or you can enter even around these levels. Let's take another example based on IB low. So I'm taking this example 14th of Feb here. This is the first 1 hour high, this is the first 1 hour low. So look at this here. This is the high, this is the low point. So what happened, somewhere before 10 o'clock there was an attempt of breaking the previous low, but it has not happened. Later somewhere at 10:35 there was a strong breakout. There is a good amount of selling imbalances. Prices closed below the imbalances. You could have taken a trade once the previous low is broken with a stop loss above the imbalance levels. This was more than 100 points down move. This is with the first 1 hour references, guys. And third one, a very important reference which you should never ignore, the extremes of value area. It is based on market profile. I am taking this example. this is the value area low and this is the value area high, and let's see how the price is reacting around this. To make things clear, remove market profile for a while. Prices have opened inside the value area, it has closed above the value area, and before closing, if you look at, there was a retesting of the moving average, and prices have closed above the strong buying imbalances. So once the previous high is broken by 5 points to 10 points, you would have taken a trade with a stop loss just below the imbalance levels. So this is one example where the price is taking support at the value area high. And if you look at again next somewhere around the 20 minutes, it has the prices tried to come down, same value area acted as a good support area. Look at the delta while the price is moving above this value area. So let's take another example here. If you look at this is the value area of previous day. Let's mark it first. So just for making the things clear, remove the market profile chart, and if you focus here, what happened, the price is opening outside the value area and then the previous low has been broken. There is a imbalance and prices have broken the previous low. Once the price is inside the value area, then there was a strong down move of nearly 60 to 70 points. Value area serves as a very strong area of support and resistances. So this is with all the three references. To get better accuracy levels, you combine all these three things when you are analyzing. If you like this content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you're keen on learning order flow and market profile, you can check on my playlist attaching at the end of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.